Hello, welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this screen, then you know what we are going to talk about. But in the last requirement analysis of the video, you can just see I have made a requirement analysis for Rosenheim University. After that, we got to know that the application of Rosenheim University will start from 1st December. Nevertheless, for Rosenheim University, we need a VPD. The VPD that we get from UniAssist, we have to use that in your Rosenheim internal website. It's gonna open or start the application in 1st December. So in the requirement analysis, we got to know that, or we decided that in the next two videos, I will be showing you how to apply for VPD for the course Electrical Engineering and IT for the college Rosenheim University. If you're new to this channel, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And please share our series and VPD and how to apply for universities to friends of yours, so that people who are interested and aspirant who want to study masters in Germany, then they can apply, get use of it and get a university. Without making any other delays, just directly jump into Rosenheim University website. Then we will go through the Rosenheim University official website. Then we will check the UniAssist. Then we will show you how to apply for VPD for the course Electrical Engineering and IT. First, we can directly jump into that website. Now, this is the that website where they have mentioned Rosenheim Technical University for the course Engineering Sciences. They have mentioned the one course as Engineering Science. So I don't know, you will be getting admission for Engineering Science, then you can choose the specialization internally, or while applying only you have to apply. But in UniAssist, I saw you are applying VPD for particular course, so I think you have to apply for particular course, but we'll get to know that answer once we actually apply for it, when the application deadline opens from December 1st. Now here what we are going to do, we are going to jump on official website of Rosenheim University. So this is the official website of Rosenheim University. You can click on discover our range of courses. In the discover our range of courses, you can go into engineering and you have hell lot of course, but here we are interested in Engineering Sciences. That is what we just saw or did a requirement analysis, and these are the requirement analysis, and we have done a detailed video for this. And you can just see the application period will be 1st of November to 15th of December. So it will be only for 1.5 months. You have to be quick. So after this video is out, please make sure you apply for VPD. VPD itself will take like 4 weeks. So as soon as you get it, then please apply it very fast. CTS will be 90 credits. That's the reason it is 3-semester course. And here I wanted to mention it is admission restricted, locally restricted NC. It is not NC Fry. But yeah, if it is NC Fry and NC means you will have a limited number of seats, and people who are applying, say example there is 30 seats and people who apply 40, and all 40 have a requirement matching to their specification, then they will only take 30. So they will make a, only in 40 only 30 will get, other 10 won't get. But in NC Fry, which is another category, or NC Free, which is another category, here you will get admission, or they will give admission for every people who are matching their requirement. Say 40 people all are matching the requirement, then they will give an admission for all 40 people. So there is no limit for the people they are taking in. That is what one thing I wanted to tell you. Then the degree program, master program, as I told you, Engineering Sciences, which has a specialization in electrical engineering and information technology, mechanical engineering, and also polymer and mechatronics. So these are the things that they have, and they have also examination regulations, start of studies and other things. Here the main thing that we are interested is this application and admission. The prerequisite of admission to the master degree program in the engineering is a university degree in the bachelor degree program in electrical engineering and information technology, or mechatronics, or mechanical or plastic technology, which you want to pursue as a master degree. If you want to pursue a master degree of electrical engineering information technology, then you need to have an electrical engineering degree. If you want to pursue mechatronics, then you need to have a mechatronics mechanical course and some of electrical oriented course. If mechatronics is completely derived from the scale of electrical side, then you need to have an electrical degree with some of the credits of mechanical, like that. So there is two kinds of mechatronics, which is derived on the verge of electrical side, on the verge of pure mechanical side. So this is one thing. The most of the mechanical course, a mechatronics course, will be derived from electrical point of view, where you will be needed a electrical degree and a mechanical degree, both they will give, and also you need to have a courses for little bit of electrical and also little bit of any one of the computer science programming. So mechatronics people, for easier words, if I have to say, making your mechanical device robust. So the better and best example is robot. You will be programming robot, and this is the thing for mechatronics, most of the courses. And in mechanical engineering and plastic technology management and other things, you need to have an overall grade of good, and we also saw what is good. It should be 2.5. This is what we saw in previous video. You should have a minimum of 2.5 and maximum up to 1. It's up to you. Then detailed information about admission requirement, including the recognized language certificate, can be found it here. So this is the language certificate. As I told you, the language certificate and everything that you need to have is checklist for application and admission. You need to have a A2 German and also A2 German and B2 English, and this is the complete checklist for your masters if you want to apply, but this is completely is in German. If you want, I will attach this as a PDF. You can just guys can look it. Now it is also possible to apply to VPD for summer semester for September 1st, and we are so late, but I will make a video as soon as possible, so it will be open on 16th. So you can look it on 16th and apply for it, and still you have more amount of time to get a VPD and apply for the particular college. Then winter semester will be from March 1st. Now we'll quickly, not to waste, we will directly jump into Uni Assist, because we want to apply for VPD now, not for the application. The application we will be having or showing you after the 1st December. Then preliminary review document, VPD. Some university have special applicant procedure, application procedure. Here you can find out the VPD and what you need to consider. So if you want to have a VPD, you have to have this particular documentation, which certificate were submitted. So here you have things that you need to submit for VPD. As I told you, general testimonials, general information, official certified copies for bachelor application and for master application. We will go to for master application, where you need to have a proof of your studies, which will be your bachelor degree, grading system of your university, which will be your grading system, where they have mentioned how to convert your CGPA into German GPA, or how they are giving you a CGPA based on their grading system. You need to have that. Usually it will be inside the transcript attached or inside backside of the mask card. If nothing, or it is not mentioned in both of the side, then please mail your bachelor degree college, then they will give you. And school living certificate or proof of university entrance qualification. School living certificate will be your pre-university college or 12th, and proof of university entrance examination you have taken, then please give yes and give the document. If you are not, then say no, you have not done any university entrance qualification. For Karnataka, we had a CET, or now it is nationalized common as NEET. And these are the only documents that they required for VPD. VPD, as I told you many a times, it's just a conversion of your grade. They will just check your master degree or your bachelor degree is recognized in Germany, or your university is registered in German database, and they will convert your CGPA or percentage, any of your grading system, into German GPA, and they will give a certificate. That is what VPD means. Now we can directly click on apply. So once you click on apply, now VSR search criteria will be summer semester 2025, Rosenheim University of Applied Science, and type of degree will be a master's. Now here you can just search for what is the course name that we were applying. It is engineering sciences. So search for engineering sciences or engineering, and here the engineering. So how we are making sure it is the same or correct one, you have to click on more, and here they will mention, you can find the information about degree program here. So once you click on this page, it should take you to the course that you want to apply. So it took us to engineering courses. So the same way, if you are applying for, say example, industrial engineering, then you have to click on more, and this link has to take you to industrial engineering page of their college. So management and engineering, industrial engineering. So that is how you will make sure that you are applying for correct one. Now this is the thing that we are major or NC Fry, and here they have mentioned no admission restriction, but we also saw it is admission restricted. Then you can click on select.